Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to switch personal account to professional account on Instagram. So let's get started. First open up your Instagram application, then go to the profile on the right bottom. Then click on the three dots or menu option on the top right side corner here, then go to settings. In the settings you will see switch to professional account, just click on that and continue with the process like this, and you'll see many categories here. Which category describes you the best, select that one. The video creator is the best option, describes me, so I will select that and click on done. If you are selling any kind of things and it is related to business, then you have to select the business. Otherwise, if you are a creator, a single person, then just select the creator option and click on next. Then here you can see you just need to fulfill the 5 steps here. First, go to the get inspired option. You just need to select the person who have inspired you to be a creator. You can follow all of them from your category, then click on the top right side corner tick mark here. Okay, we are done with one particular steps. Then for the second particular steps for growing your audience is to select that. You can invite your friends from the WhatsApp, you can invite friends from Instagram itself, you can message them, email them, follow the contacts also. I might go with follow accounts, there's then follow some of the accounts I know, like I know this person, so I will follow him and click on done, and your third step is now completed. For the fourth step, share content to view analytics, you just need to post 3 times for this, and then you can explore the professional tools here for the professional account, and that's how you can switch personal account to professional account on Instagram. Hope this video helps you. If yes, please make sure to like, share and subscribe.